Hi guys, I'm Hasba with WTI, and right now I'm recording this video with the same ring light that you see right here, but this one is just in front of me, and I got two of these because of how amazing they are.
This is the 62 inches tripod stand slash selfie ring light from UBeesize, and I'm in love with this product. It comes with 5 different light temperatures and 10 different level brightness. I also love that it's adjustable, so you can adjust the angle for any video or picture that you're gonna take. You can also adjust the angle of the ring light itself if you want to take pictures of products, or people also use it if they want to do people's eyebrows or any other beauty stuff. I also like the fact that you can make it longer or shorter according to your circumstances, and you can detach it so that it turns into a tripod with no ring light. This is what I was doing right here. I wanted to turn it into a tripod that I could take anywhere during daylight, and I could make it smaller so that I could use it as a selfie stick.
Now you get why I love these ring lights slash tripods. They are so great. They have everything you need. If you work from home just like me, if you want to make high quality videos with great lighting, you'll need at least one of these. I want you guys to take a look at how I look without the light. Let me turn it up. This makes such a huge difference, you guys. I'm in love. And I think it will be really useful for you too, but that's just my point of view.